Welcome. If you've got a great book idea but feel stuck on what to do next, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how I used AI to shape my children's book, Wanda the Friendly Widow, and how you can do the same with your own story idea. We've all been there. You've got that spark of inspiration, but turning it into a full book feels overwhelming. That was me when I came up with the idea of Wanda the Friendly Widow. I had the concept, but no plan. That's when I decided to try using AI to help shape the structure. Here's the idea. Wanda is a friendly black widow spider who just wants to make friends, but everybody's afraid of her. It's fun, a little spooky, and has a great message. But I didn't know how to break this idea into chapters or structure a full small book. So I opened ChatGPT and typed in my idea with a prompt like this. Here's the idea. Wanda is a friendly black widow spider who just wants to make friends, but everyone's afraid of her. It's fun, it's a little spooky, and it has a great message. But I don't know how to break this into chapters or structure a full small book. Help me turn this child's book idea into a chapter outline. Wanda the Friendly Then AI comes back and says, absolutely, that's a great foundation for a child's book, playful with heart. A bit spooky, but warm in the tone. Here's a chapter-based structure that fits your idea, pacing and message. It's designed for a short chapter book format, perfect for ages 6 to 9 or read-aloud audiences, with 7 short chapters. Book idea, Wanda the Friendly Spider, it comes down here. It tells me the tone, it's whimsical, the theme, overcoming fear, friendship, self-acceptance. Chapter 1, we have Wanda the Lonely Web. Wanda lives alone in the corner of the garden and describes that and has in here what some text should be. Chapter 2, Garden Gossip. Ladybug sisters, ants, and butterflies whisper about Wanda. Chapter 3, Wanda puts her best smile and weaves to welcome sign. Chapter 4, Midnight Mishaps. Sudden storm hits the garden. Baby beetles get trapped in a puddle. Chapter 5, The Rescue Web. Wanda builds a web bridge and carries the beetles and babies to safety. Chapter 6, The Whole New Web. The bugs thank Wanda. Chapter 7, Welcome to the Garden. The garden throws a celebration. And then it comes down here with some optional additional additions. A glossary of bug facts at the end. A short real-world note about spiders and how not all are dangerous. A drawing activity. Design Wanda's garden party. Then it asked me, would you like this formatted into a full AI demo script for your video or illustrations, since I told it I was doing this for this video. Next, I asked for some title ideas, and it came up with creative titles like Spinderella. Spinderella, the Queen of the Web. We go down here, Bella, Widow of the Garden Gang. Not So Spooky Spiders. We go down here, there's all kinds. Wanda the Whispering Web. 8 legs, 1 big heart. Pretty creative ideas. These were clever, fun, and helped me think about how the story might be positioned for kids and parents alike. Now, even though Wanda is a children's book, the same process works for nonfiction and how-to guides, you name it. Just describe your idea in a few sentences and ask AI to help you turn it into a structure. That's it. With a few prompts, your book idea can go from fuzzy to focused. If you want more help, check out our blog 8 on aitechpublishing.com. It walks you through the entire book structuring process using AI. And hey, if Wanda can do it, you can do it.